Alrighty guys, this is another unboxing of a package from Home Defense 24, and yeah, a lot of these is I've been waiting for a while. It's all those nice M17 parts to get the M17 up to 100 joules with 1100 psi, or 800 psi. You can get up to around 80 joules with it, but all the necessary parts for that, it's the whole rebuild of the M17, so everything's going to be included in this box. Yeah, I just want to thank Florian and Daniel from Home Defense 24. Yeah, so let's get right down into this. First of all, this box is mangled. You come from Germany, ended up in the States, and then in Canada, and in my province of Ontario. It's been all over Ontario, and before I finally got rerouted back, and everywhere in between. So the box looks like it's taking a beating. So let's get right into it and see what we got here. Gummy bears, original gummy bears. Okay, this is the store we everything come from. Home Defense 24. It's in Germany, and let's see here. I'll just pull one thing at a time in. This will be the M17 barrel. It's a steel barrel. Again, Daniel and those guys make them. Same thing with all the tuning run barrels and stuff. But yeah, this is the, I believe it's the A5 thread. And then this is for your muzzle tips. It's nice, big, heavy steel. I'll just set that over here. Some more wrapping. We'll just throw all that. Oh, what have we here? Oh, sweet. Oh, sick. It's those, it's the HDR 68 sniper extensions. Oh, wow, man. I've been wanting these for a while. Nice. Oh, they come with a tip, too. Yep. Nice. They get the little cap on them. And yeah, that'll go over the tuning run, guys. From Home Defense 24. Oh, sweet. I'm going to stick these both in here. Actually, no, I'll keep them separate now, just so they don't cling around. Oh, nice. That's going to give a nice power boost. Both these put together on that the HDR 68. That's a powerhouse. Oh shit, we got two muzzle brakes. One's for... Oh, it's going to be for that barrel, one of them. And one of them will be for the sniper extensions. So this is the M22 by 1.5 thread, so that's definitely going on the M17 barrel. And... Yep, this one here is for the tuning barrel for the HDR 68. And that's got an M20 by 1 thread. Oh, nice. I just want to see that. Yeah, so it'll screw on this tip here. And it feels like it's aluminum. Oh yeah, nice. So yeah. Sweet, it's got the nice sharp points for ramming. Anyways, nice. Sweet. All right. So yeah, we got that, and then the other one's for the M17. And here comes the tuning bolt spring for the M17. And we got the, here it is, the heat core. That's that big extra air chamber. This is gonna add that big boost of power. Some more wrapping. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's one of these magazine holders. And we get the printed mags with the gear printed on. I wonder with that being plastic, how long it'll take before those wear out. Or if they do. I mean, eventually they will, but either way. I plan on getting a printer here any day now, so it's gonna be cool to see what we can come up with. And yeah, they'll go in here. This opens up sideways. Oh, I had a razor here. I'll just pull it out of the box here. Yep, and that clips on the Picatinny rail. And then you can load the magazines into this. It's for easy access. Fill them up with whatever slugs or round ball. Nice. I could see that fitting on a carbine. Looking all nice. Sweet. Oh, these sniper extensions. I'm so excited for those. And what do we got? Oh, wow. Holy shit. We got 4 ASA on-offs. Oh my god. Wow. And that's 88 gram. So it's 88 gram male, 88 gram female. Nice. On off with a gauge. And it looks like there's 2 of these. Oh, one doesn't have a gauge. So they both got the gassing knob, and one has a gauge. And once again, 88 gram to 88 gram. Sweet. Now you don't have to put that long ass extension in no more. And then this is another one of the self-purging ones. Oh, these are sweet. These are actually one of my faves now. Very nice, these ones. They will just like a quick quarter turnish, and it'll degas your whole gun for you. So that's pretty sick. And then we got another. It's just an HPA. Yeah, HPA male. And 88 gram female. Sweet. It's nice to have one of those on each marker so you don't have to keep switching and messing with the threads. Oh, nice. And here's some more M17 parts. All the springs and the whatnot. Bumpers and detents, and we got the bolt locking spring. I'll do an assembly video of the M17. And yeah, Sean Kemper just did a really nice one. You're probably guys would be better off looking at that one, but I'll still make one for the hell of it. He's less lethal for dummies, so check out his YouTube channel. He's got all kinds of great stuff. And especially on that M17. You won't find a bigger library for that gun than on his channel. So check him out there. Less Lethal for Dummies. YouTube. And yeah, we got these are the silicone bumpers for the M17. So I'll go over the heat core. And then we got some silicone rubbery detents, as seen in all this was seen in Sean's video. And now we got some ammos. Nice. Got a whole bunch of these. And these here are all aluminum. So we got some 50 cal and 68 cal. So they're the destroyer rounds. These are aluminum and they're shaped projectiles with round heads. And they got some little aerodynamic grooves to get a little spin. Very nice. These are very light too. They'll come out really fast. So those are the... They just cut them all in different colors. So they're the same rounds, but just different colors. And then we got some gold ones here. Nice. And then we got the 60 cal. These ones are 2.8 grams, 12.4 millimeter. And here are the aluminum ones. These are 7 grams and they're 17.3 millimeter. Yeah, these got some bit more weight to them. They're more closer to a Joule or an aluminum ball. Oh yeah, very nice. Same thing, they got the grooves on them as well. A round nose. Yeah, man, this is awesome. Sweet. Thanks, Florian and Daniel. This is amazing. Thank you very much, man. We've been waiting for all these M17 parts and stuff, and now that we've seen them in Sean's video, man, it's just absolutely insane. But yeah, for those of you who don't know his channel, you'll be seeing it on mine soon. So I'll be posting all the results and the build and how to do it, whatnot. But first, I'm gonna go look at Sean's video again and make sure I get it down pat, and then I'll go ahead and do it up. But yeah, man, you guys all take care, stay safe, and have fun. We'll be doing some videos real soon here, guys. The shooting videos are all dependent on if my neighbors are home or not. Don't want to piss them off. Anyways, guys, take care.